Hi, this is Anurag
And this is Shubham.
and we are from Quick Freaks, and in this video we are gonna share the summary of today's match, Asia Cup 2016 India versus Bangladesh, and what a match that was.
Yeah, that was a very good match. I didn't expect that one.
Because the match started with rain, and we thought that rain would not let
Go.
the final happens, but then laterwards after some time rain shows the mercy. He took the 5 overs from both the teams and the match reduced to 15 overs, and but match reduced to 15 overs, but the excitement increases that much.
But the Bangladesh team, we did not expect that at all because the Bangladesh made a 120 in just 15 overs.
Yeah, that's
For
a
the
very
team
disappointing day
that
for the
like
Bangladeshi
India.
teams. They really batted well, but few runs they shorted. That's why they have not really able to put the pressure on Indian team. Well, guys, throughout this video, we are gonna share some of the Asia Cup facts, which will roll out on the screen. Do check out and
Those
keep
are
on
interesting some facts.
and keep on listening to us. And going back to the summary, the match started. India won the toss and invited Bangladesh to bat on. And after Bangladesh started their innings with the opening batsman Tamim and Soumya Sarkar,
They were quite good. In 5 overs, first 5 overs, they managed to score some runs and put pressure on Indian team.
because they didn't been looking on under pressure, because the kind of pressure was there being in playing in final match. That kind of pressure is not been reflecting from their faces. They just played very well. And later on, after 5 overs, Bumrah and Nehra came into attack, departs both of them. Later on, Sabir Rahman and Shakib came into attack. Shakib came with the mindset that he has to hit with every kind of effort he has. Basically, he has just hit 21 of just 19 balls, and the partnership was looking very good at the middle.
But then Dhoni played his trump card and showed the Ashwin to ball, and Ashwin took his wicket on the first ball.
Yeah, very first ball he took the wicket and proved Dhoni correct at that time. And but at that time of duration, Bangladesh keep losing wickets. They lose Mortaza and Rahim at the same time. In the same over of Jadeja just missed the hat trick in that over. And then came the Mahmudullah. Mahmudullah just gave the maximum effort. What kind of effort he has given? He has just hit 33 of just 13 balls. When Bangladesh keep losing wickets on another side, Sabir Rahman was very steady at another end. And very exciting batting from the Bangladesh came to an end. And now Indian innings started very oftenly as we had expected. Rohit Sharma and Dhawan started the innings.
Rohit Sharma on the strike and the one on the non-strike side. So though Rohit Sharma got out quickly,
that's a very bad luck for Rohit Sharma. We thought that this wicket might put India in the pressure. Well, Dhawan and Virat Kohli are very keen. They were not letting India to get into the pressure, and it was very lovely to see those batsmen batting there. Dhawan and Virat Kohli, they were just seeking for the boundaries every second ball of the match. And with these boundaries, they are also lifting the pressure with every ball India is getting into it. And Dhawan completed his 50 and
in 35 balls. Though at the start, Dhawan and Kohli managed to keep changing their sides and did not put the pressure on India. But in somewhere between 12 to 13 overs, the Bangladesh team did manage to get pressure on Indian team after the wicket of Dhawan.
the pressure was always on towards the end of the match. It was unpredictable that who is gonna win the match till the last of the
Dhoni came.
till Dhoni came, because when Dhawan gets out, Dhoni came inside and he took up the pressure of what India has got after getting Dhawan out. And at that position, in the last of the 2 overs, India need 19 runs of 12 balls. We can say a very critical situation for Indian team. But as we know, Dhoni, he is a finisher of the game, and as we have thought, Dhoni proved himself right.
Now the Dhoni came in 13th over on the strike, and the first ball he shot was a 6 directly.
And what a huge six that was.
104 meters 6. No one expected that 6, but the Bangladesh team was struck and the audience was pin drop quiet. And for that moment, the India's pressure was completely zeroed on the Bangladesh team. But Dhoni did not allow the Bangladesh team to come up. He shot another 4, and the complete Indian team, this shot proved that the Indian team is gonna win the match.
And Dhoni's those sixes and fours just lifted the pressure among the Indian, that India has got the confidence that India is gonna win this Asia Cup, and he has just proved this right by again hitting 6 and 4 of the next 3 balls.
And by the end of the 13th over, Dhoni had shot another 6 on the last ball, and India has got the 5 runs that needed to win the match. Dhoni ended the match with another 6 on the last ball of the 13th over, and there was no real celebration from the Indian team though, because the stadium was full with the Bangladesh team and their fans. This match stood like a normal match for the Indians, like they did not celebrate it as this was a final match.
And at the end of the match, everyone was very eager to wait who will be the man of the match and who will be the man of the series. Well, it's pretty sure that who will be the man of the match. Shikhar Dhawan has got
Yeah,
the man of the
Shikhar
match of 60 runs of this 44 ball, and we were also eager that who will be the man of the series, that Virat Kohli
And,
or any other player.
We are literally shocked who is the man of the series, because we are expecting that Virat Kohli or some other player, Indian player.
And today that was a very disappointing day for the Bangladeshians team, but that moment came forward, and this was the good news for Bangladeshian team, that Sabir Rahman is the man of the series for the Asia Cup. He lifted $12,500 for the man of the series award.
And he got this because he took the most wickets in this Asia Cup. That is 11. That is the highest, and the second wicket taker is on 8. There is a difference between 3 wickets.
Yeah,
That's why he got the man of the series award.
and this is how the prize distribution ceremony ended.
And this was completely unexpected from every Indian, but the Bangladesh team did perform very well today, and we do respect and give a salute to the team, because they did outstanding on the field today. Though the match was not in their favor,
They just fell short by 20 to 30 runs. If they have got this much of amount of run, they would be able to put some kind of pressure on Indian batsmen.
so let's give a salute to the team, and that's it from the Cricket Bricks for the time.
And stay tuned for the most latest videos of the summaries, and this kind of summaries we are gonna watch in our latest videos.
And I'm sure that you should have checked the fact rolling throughout the video, and you
uh,
didn't, just go it through once more and you will see that those are some really cool facts we have.
and this is the fact we are posting at the end of the video. That is the who have won the Asia Cup title since 1984. I think you might have gone through some of the facts that India have won the first inauguration match of 1984. Still, we'll post all the teams who have won by line by year by year. And this is it, guys.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you like the channel, give a thumbs up to the channel and subscribe to the channel. We will be here in time.
So that's it, guys.